How to change username on your NGL account. What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily change your username on your NGL app. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. As you can see here right now, my username is right here ngl.link/ and here is my username. And all of this username is same for all of these templates. So let's see how you can change it. I've also posted a story on my Instagram. So as you can see here, the NGL link will follow, and if you tap on it, it will show you my username from the NGL link. But if you want to change your username on the NGL, you just tap on the settings icon at the top right, and if you tap on settings, as you can see here, there is no option to change your username on the settings here. So what you're going to do now is simply head over to your settings up and then head over to applications or your app settings. And then you're just going to search for NGL link here. Search for the NGL app. Now simply go ahead and tap on it. And what you're going to do is clear out all of its storage. So you have to know that it will delete all of the messages that you have gotten on your NGL, but you're just going to go ahead and clear data like this and delete it. And then go back. Now you're going to go ahead and open up your application again, and it will completely refresh the app. So first thing first, you just tap on get started, choose your date of birth, and then tap on continue. Now choose where you want to share your NGL or where you want to use it. Now tap on continue, and right here you have an option to change your username. So I'm just gonna enter my new username. I'm just gonna add a few extra letters here, and then simply go ahead and tap on continue. Now if you want, you can also add a profile photo. I'm just gonna skip it. And now wherever you use this link, as you can see, the username has been changed. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.